up, we're all in it.
We're 1,000 miles from Commonwealth. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart can take you.
It's come to the realization that the three people in this car have never heard or been in a Weigel's.
No, what is that?
What?
It's also Vegas. Vegas.
I love you, Weigel's. You're the best. We're camcording in the car. Lauren is now on the wheel
Buick.
because Emma got tired and we're on our way to Aldi so we can get groceries. We've just stopped at my house.
I mean, to be fair, I've been like driving for like 7 hours.
Yeah, she's been driving for a while, so
valid.
honestly, respect. I wouldn't have done it.
I got wraps. I want to make like put meat in there.
What?
Meat. I got wraps. I want to put meat in there.
Oh.
Sorry, we're going in the hot tub.
We're going in the hot tub. We're finding Avatar on Disney Plus. We're logged into some random ass girls account, and Emma just said scroll up. Who the fuck are these people? Who are they? No, he doesn't. He looks scary. Who the hell is that? Why does she have a huge ass forehead?
But the way her side profile looks right now, they did her so
They did her
dirty.
so dirty. What the?
Like,
what the?
How do they let this go out and they're like, yep, that's Rapunzel.
Good morning. Good morning. Emma's in the shower. Good morning. We're making breakfast. I already made my rice cakes. Mmm, yummy. We're gonna go eat outside. Lauren's eggs. And a handful of salt. Oh, some Salt Bay action. It's a wild Lauren. Wild Lauren International. She's taking video that she's never gonna edit ever. If you actually see Lauren's spring break vlog, you've actually witnessed a miracle. Look at her go. Wow, look at her go. She's traveling through the backyard. Don't attack her, she's wild.
I want to jump
Your
there.
EpiPen when it helps that.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your thorns won't let love in too soon. Can I call you Rose? Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you.
We're going on the ski mountain coaster. It's gonna be hype.
It's gonna be.
Oh, okay.
But I swear, if someone in front of me, I'm bumping into them. I do not care.
Okay. Guys, I don't know if Miranda can go on the ride. Miranda, you have to be 52 inches. I don't know.
Miranda, I don't think you're tall enough. We have tickets.
We're completing Emma's lifelong dream today. Of going on the mountain coaster. So,
I'm super excited.
you're really excited.
But I can't breathe because my asthma's acting up.
Oh, she's asthmaing. Oh, she's vaping.
I'm vaping.
She's vaping.
Off she goes.
She's off.
Our girl.
Won't you let me in your heart?
Here's Maddie. She's super excited. Woo! And me.
Nice skating.
Nice skating.
We're waiting for the bumper cars. We're on the bumper cars. Whoa! No, leave me alone! Oh my god! Emma and Miranda have made us a lovely meal.
Lovely meal. It's okay. Okay.
Of tortellino with Alfredo sauce. Wholesome hot tub moment.
Wholesome hot tub moment.
Wholesome hot tub moment.
I could go ahead and make this. I could go ahead and make cheese. I mean, how much is left in the thing? Quite a bit. That'll probably finish off that batter.
She made us this. There's Maddie tearing it up.
I'm not even tearing it up yet.
And there's, well, you're prepared.
I'm
you're
preparing
getting your
to turn it up.
Exactly. Chef Miranda. Chef Miranda.
I was gonna say morale is at an all-time low, but Miranda's hitting it.
I am.
So morale's kind of low. It's like raining outside. No, we can't like enjoy the vibes. I'm gonna tell the vlog what you just told me.
Guys, did you know that it doesn't actually tell you how you're feeling? It's based off your body heat.
What? What?
Got you. But I'm feeling calm, apparently. You see that green up there?
That you're in love with me.
Lauren, what happened? What happened, Lauren?
A hater.
You were too much of a hater. You went to jail?
Yep.
Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine.
Family first, gun second.
Patriot.
Oh, patriot. Always.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
This country needs less wine and more spine. 17,076% American spirit. All gave some. Some gave all. You will not be forgotten.
This flag offends you.
I'll help you pack.
Proud American.
Proud American.
Land of the free. It's coming to get mad.
Morale is getting better, I would say.
Yeah.
How you doing, Emma? Oh, okay, sure. Oh, okay, sure, yeah. I'm not gay. I'm super gay.
I'm not gay, but $20 is $20.
Proud munch.
That's me. I'm a proud munch.
Guess we can all get one. There's one for all of us. This one's for Emma. That one's Emma's one. That one's for Emma.
Someone take my picture.
Telegram, telephone.
Alright, Lauren watched this video 1,000 times when she was younger. She's never beating the gay allegations. She's never beating the allegations. What the hell is going on? Miranda's watching the Bon Appetit Katy Perry music video now for the first time. And oh god, oh. Like what? And bye. Yes, yeah, Yep.
Oh my god.
She fucking goes.
She starts stripping.
Alright. Good morning, vlog. I cooked. Emma's up. Miranda's up. We gotta leave in 30 minutes. We got a lot to do.
But it's okay, there's 4 of us. We've got it.
Yeah, we can do it. We all gotta be really productive though.
I used to put myself in Homer bed. Used to rock the button. Make a mess.
But I said quietly. I agree politely.
I went from 0 to my
own
hero.
Just getting back on the vlog to show off Emma's just spectacular parking job. Really something else. I ordered this wolf right here. I ordered this lovely wolf. I was very excited to see it. Something. Maddie's on the wheel. Beep beep. Maddie's driving. Miranda's the only person who have not driven. Loser. Lazy. Anyway, it's zoo time. We're going to the zoo. Who's time for the zoo?
It's really chilly in here.
I see the bear. You see it? You see anything? What do you see?
This is Maddie after seeing the bear. Miranda after seeing bear. Lauren after seeing bear.
Wow! He just took out my kid. They skinned the bear. Killed the bear. Nothing weird is going on. We are fully grown adults at the zoo with trying to buy children, but you know that's neither here nor there.
Exactly.
This is our spring break.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Dude, there's a petting zoo. Yes. I know, it's incredible. Look at all the stuff.
I got the picture of the architecture moment.
Look at a speed run, dude. Look at all the stuff.
Oh my god.
We've made it to the Temple of the Tiger. The tiger! I see the tiger! I see it! I see it! He's so
You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
so real.
Here's Lauren making a friend with the
I've befriended the one that's just chilling and munching.
I'm confused with
Just like you.
Just like me. Just like me.
Look at the asses.
Wait, look at the ass.
And there's children in it.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
Sheep is my favorite sheep.
Which one?
Oh, why is his lip doing that?
Like that? That one?
Whoa!
I say that I'm happy. I say that I'm happy.
He's getting at it. Little beaver.
He's an itchy little guy.
Itchy guy.
Dang, how big is that itch, bro?
Fly just like a bird, but you are a bird. Oh yeah, you're right. So let me fly just like a rocket. And okay, that I need to come down from oxygen.
Once you started,
Baby, ain't no stopping them. Cause I just wanna live my life and party. I don't want us to be free and rock my body. Yeah, they're not enjoying it as much as we are.
Found the wood and I'm moving my leg.
And in Rio, Rio lies.
What's the thing?
They still have some more Chick-fil-A chicken biscuits.
Look at all those chicks.
Oh my teenager! Oh my teenager! We're at the zoo and you can't get off the
I'm sorry. Hashtag live in the moment.
So Emma and Miranda are gonna go on the carousel. They're paying money to go onto the carousel. They paid money for this. They paid money for this.
They're flying right now.
Where did Emma go? She's this bird is serving face. Whoa.
I might just be the one.
The Mockingjays are up here.
They're gonna put us in the Hunger Games.
I've got a message for President Snow. Fire is catching, and if we burn, you burn with us. I think we're approaching the otters, and I don't think she knows. Oh, I think she just found out.
She just found out where we are. Where are we? We're here to see the otters.
We're here to see the otters. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
She's hiding.
Oh my god.
Oh no way. Tonka, you're iconic.
Tonka, you are iconic. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, he's so big. Whoa, he's pushing the ball. So talented. We just found out Tonka weighs 14,600 pounds.
Guys, if he sat on me, I'd be done for.
Oh my gosh.
That's a great throw.
Look at his ears. So,
Feed them. I saw a sign saying that you can feed
I fed a giraffe once. Look at him.
wow.
I bet that's pretty cute.
Got another drink, I think I'll waste to tell you I'm fine.
Dude, look, he sat up. Sorry, can you do that again?
You'll never even know that I'm
Let's do a magic trick. Can I get a trick?
Yo.
Dude, try and get her to do gang signs.
Not
Can you
impressed.
phase up? Can you phase? Wait. Can you phase up? Can you phase up? Phase up. Phase up. Phase up. Please. Phase up.
Pleek.
Girl.
Pleek. Hey, you wanna hold hands with me? Okay, hold hands with me.
Can you get me too?
Yo. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got an itch. You got an itch. You got an itch.
our favorite spots. I used to sit and cry. I felt like I could die. But now you're off my mind.
Lauren, phase up, phase up, phase up.
Made another zoo animal phase up.
Zoo animal phasing up.
You'll come out from underneath your coat. I'll be making toast in the
Guy, the little otter. And thus concludes our zoo experience.
And our trip. And our trip.
Yeah, we have to drive back. Bucky. We're not getting a photo with Bucky. That is, I'm not doing it. I refuse. We just pronounced this word right here. Alamo. Alamo.
What's Alamo?
What's the Alamo?
What's Alamo?
You're not supposed to forget it. You're not supposed to forget it. You forgot it. Brandon
Alamo?
doesn't remember the Alamo.
I do not remember the Alamo.
What do you mean the
It's your one job is to we remember the Alamo.
Okay, but what's the Alamo?
Oh my. Dude, we haven't even left the Bucky's den.
Hamming down. It was getting cold. I felt it getting cold in my hands.
They go, first biscuit on the board.
They sure do.
They sure do. I hope they do it.
sure do.
I hope they do it. They did the thing. They did the thing. They did the thing.
But it's okay, yeah, it's alright, 'cause I'm too far from you to fall in love tonight.
When you were gone, I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched her let it ride. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it.
Yay. Good job, team.
Yay, I paid.
And break. This is our anthem.
This one's for the boys, the booming system, top down AC and the cooling system. When he come in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He bought bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He don't, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly coach. He a motherfucking ship, ship. Kiss him on the lip, that's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you get slapped if you look at hell. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy and I'm loving your tie. Like slicker than a guy with a thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell me who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm acting dudes up. Track groups up and drop the juice up.